Okay, this is my challenge question 2. Okay, well, in order to do this, I got together with a classmate because it was taking too long by myself. So yeah, 2 heads are better than 1. Well, anyways, as we kept adding different numbers, we realized that 1 had to be in the solution because we needed a 4-digit number as a solution. So when we were adding the numbers, the only 2 digits we got were from 10 to 17, which shows right here that 1, 1, 1, 1, like all of these were 1s. So yeah, we needed the 2-digit, we needed the 1 in the bottom because that's how we would get a 4-digit number. And then we also realized that the 0 had to be either regrouped or it had to be in the bottom, because if not, it would just repeat the number again. So like 4 plus 0, it would just be 4 again, so the 4 would repeat and that wouldn't be a solution. And then after like working on this for a long time, we finally found one solution, which was this one, the 324 plus 765, which equals 1089. So we were really excited when we found that. And then, well, we just started flipping the numbers around. Like for example here, we use the same number, but here we just flipped the 37 to a 73. And then here too. 657, we change it to 675. And then we change 432 to 423. So it gave us the same, it didn't give us the same answer, but there were the same numbers that were being used, just flipped around, and it gave us different solutions. So same thing goes to over here, like it's 789, then we just flipped 46 to a 64, and it gave us 2 different possible solutions. We just kept doing that throughout, and we ended up with 12 solutions in total. And then I realized that there's another way to find all these solutions, which could have saved us a lot of time. But okay, I went to Google and I put a combination generator, and I found this website, and you just input the values. So I input 0 through 9 as my values, and then as a combination size I put that I wanted 3. So it just gave me all these different numbers, like all these different 3-digit possible combinations used from 0 to 9. So these were all. And then what I did is that I went to this, I opened an Excel worksheet, and then I just started inputting the numbers from here to here. And since Excel can add the numbers up, I did that because it was faster. And since I knew that 1 couldn't be used in the numbers that were being added, so I eliminated all of these, because 1 couldn't be used. It had to be in the solution. So eliminated all of those. And then I also knew that 0 couldn't be the 3rd digit number. For example here, 170, 0 couldn't be there, because if I add, for example, 170 with 189, then the 9 would just repeat, and that wouldn't be a possible solution. So eliminated all of those with zeros in the ends. And then, well, yeah, that left me with less numbers to add. and I just added those and I got the same solutions. So that's how I know that I got all of the possibilities that could have been found with 0 through 9. So yeah, that's my answer, and those are my solutions for question 2. These are all it right here.